Hello, everybody. How are you? Today is the Thursday, the first day of the year of our Jesus Christmas year. All right. So I'm gonna try to be short of the day, and I'm gonna be talking about just two subjects. But I wanna advise everybody. All my video, which is about 6 or 7 video, from the time I was in the hospital when I was very sick until this moment, the all part of the Holy Grail unified theory of physics, united with our infinity multiverse friend, or I can say it, the soul, united with the soul of our infinity multiverse friend, God. Okay? So I advise everybody to get all the theory complete. You have from the first video when I was in the hospital until this one, about 6, 7 video, I think. But today I'm going to talk about one subject, the natural selection of the great in front of our creator, Charles Darwin. All right? And I'm going to come with me here. With me, I'm going to imagine Neil deGrasse, this great scientist, sitting next to me when I'm making my dialogue with God. Why I said Neil deGrasse Tyson? Because this great man represents all the scientific community with regard to one thing. Okay? When they were asking him about God, what do you think about God? Because his vision really is the majority vision of the scientific community. So his answer is, well, how I can imagine God when you see things like this happen in front of our eye, or kids get burned, or get slaughtered, how I can give him excuse not to do anything? This exactly Neil deGrasse, Tyson vision, and the vision of most of them. So I'm gonna imagine Neil Tyson sitting next to me when I'm having this dialogue with my universe master. Okay? And I'm going to be very focused on this subject. All right? Hello, my friend, my infinity pure friend in the center of my conscious. You are representing the consciousness of the gravity of space-time of all your multiverse, the one I swim in it, and the bacteria swim in it, and the universe swim in it with his, with his whatever the Higgs. I'm sorry, with the Higgs, and because the universe, the gravity of the universe Higgs, and the other universes, we all swim in the space-time of our universe master. So, hello to you. So he answered, exactly, he's my friend all my life. Hello, Ahmed. How are you, my friend? And by the way, Ahmed, yes, my God, what do you think about this guy? His name, Ahmed al-Ahmadi, in Australia. The one really, he's from religion, Islam. And really, this terrorist killer, I think maybe you can check. Yes, I know terrorist, I think it was his son or something, I think. And this guy, Muslim, his name Ahmed al-Ahmadi. And my gosh, he doesn't use gun or anything. He attacked the man, the terrorist, with the weapon he got when he's killing people. He attacked him. Can you imagine God? He said, exactly. This is the guy really This is my kind of guy. Preventing somebody getting killed by evil vision. Okay? So, thank you, God, for reminding me with this one. So, anyway, my friend God, how about Charles Darwin? And what you think about him really with his vision? So, yes, God, go ahead. Wow. If you are talking about this, look at him, where he is buried. He's buried in the biggest church in England because I love him. I love him, he's my man. And I want you to look at it now, my boy. Look at it now on my position. I am God, you know that. You are my friend. I am honored to be your friend. And whatever they call you, you are my God. Okay? So tell me now, Ahmed, if I am between, suppose, put in front of you, this boy who was so hungry, boning, and by the way, this boy in Gaza, he must be not really Muslim Brotherhood or Hamas. It's one of the poor people like that. Because Hamas and the Muslim Brotherhood kids over there, they get the food and all this guaranteed. You will not find their body like that. And all human right there, they work for them. They are their team. So everybody eats on the expense of non-Hamas. These poor people like this skinny boy, he said, I'm hungry. So you see this guy, he said, are you crazy, boy? It is my body. Okay? So put this crazy, this boy, innocent boy, my beautiful boy, and put with it all these weapons, and put with it some wind, and put earthquake, all this life. Form of life is my form of life. And everything is earthquake. Anything you can add. And what do you think? If they are competing with each other, what position you want me to be in? I tell you, I am glad, my friend, you ask this question because you get to the bottom of the story. Of course, absolutely, you should be, okay? Because you are really, I remember the story for you when you are talking to the evil and you are talking to Adam, representing, the soft and the evil. So I remember. So you said, now, when I look at it, and you have all these forces together, you have to be fair. You have to be fair between the evil forces and the angelical forces. You have to be in the middle, in the center. What did you say, God? He said, exactly what you wanted me to be. How I can help and judge in the same time. How? Any crazy mind can get me that. If I am God, and I'm the one who's gonna make decision as a judge. Do you want me get involved and help someone? And plus, I know my boy, I see you crying. But after I explained to you the story, you laughed and you become okay. This child, he's in big heaven. I am the one who took his life. I was in the center of his conscience, this boy. So I took him to heaven. The moment he passed away, the moment is all the heaven is big wedding. Big wedding in heaven for him. So, do you want me now to get involved or let the natural selection take its course so I can be fair judge to my evil side and my positive side? My God, you got it. You got it, so Neil deGrasse Tyson, he can understand. And all the scientific community can understand. Darwin, Charles Darwin, and the natural selection is the best theory of development. Just it can really, that's why we are human, because of our development. We earn ourselves to be human. Here the tails of the monkey in our back. But some of us, the tail of gorilla down there. But some of us got enlightenment, like what you see here with the athletics. Every time they break record. So everything developed. And you know, my boy, the vision of Muhammad regarding when God talking to Adam and talking to his negative force to tell him, please listen to Adam. So the bad force told him, how come I listen to Adam? I am made of fire. My pride I have to kill. My do I have to kill. I am made with fire. I go with my emotion. I am the devil. I use my emotion. God tell him, get the logic. Listen to Adam. He work with his logical unit. He use his brain. Cool down. Let him operate everything in life. You are not fit to operate with your hyper emotion. You're mentioned in the heart of human being. But Adam, here in the center of the logic, is made from soil. But you made from fire, you wanna kill. I wanna tell you, I wanna finish with this today. And absolutely, I will love you. And I did this to make it short so everybody can see it. All right? I love you guys. Take care, everybody. Bye.